Hello guys, how are you today? Hope you'll be fine today. My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia, and now you are watching the second video. Okay, so today's video we will learn together how do we convert the first design into Android Studio. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I am so grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started with my video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video about how do we create something like 404 error page not found, something like that. Okay, make sure before we continue to the code section, make sure you have watched my first video, link in the description below. Okay, so today's video we are going to continue the first section, and now we are going to convert Adobe XD design into Android Studio. Okay, so previously we have created something like this. I call this like error page not found. Okay, first we need to connect our computer to the internet connection because we need to download like animation from Lottie animation library. Okay, and then we create a new project. In this section I use Android Studio 3.5.3 and just press start new Android Studio project, and then select empty activity, and then we name it as my not found page and language Java, and then minimum API 21, and select finish, and wait until the syncing process is finished. Okay, finish, and as we can see we have main activity.java and then activity main.xml, and the next step is open our browser and then go to the lottiefiles.com, which is I want to use this animation as we can see here, and to change the color just press here edit layer colors, and then we just need to select component we want to change, maybe this 4, and then press this, and then we input our hex color and then just press update, and after you have finished you can export as Lottie JSON here, and after you have export JSON file, the next step is we go to the documentation Lottie for Android, link in the description below. Okay, we just need this, copy and go to our Android Studio project, and then go to build Gradle and then paste here, and for the Lottie version 3.3.1, which is the latest version of Lottie, and then select syncing now. Okay, and the next step is we open activity main.xml. As we can see we have component hello world, and we need to remove this, and we want to design from scratch. Okay, and I think I don't need constraint layout I mean, so change to linear layout, and then for the orientation, set it to vertical and press Ctrl, Alt, and O to remove unused component. And the next step is we open Adobe XD, and we can see width, height, and then size and others. Okay, first we need to import our JSON file, which is I have renamed as not_font.json. Right click and then copy, and then go to the Android Studio and then right click on the app and new folder, assets folder, and press finish. Okay, the next step is select on assets folder and then right click and select paste and OK. And as we can see, this is our JSON file. And the next step is copying this and then go to Android Studio again, right click on the drawable and paste and OK. Okay, and the next step is we need to create this, which is we want to animate this image view. So we create Lottie animation view and we close it, and we can see the width and the height. So we copy this, 321, and for the height 237. So for the width 321 and then 237 dB. Okay, and then we type file name and we call our JSON file, which is in the assets folder, not_font. So we type here, following by extension file, and then we type loop, which is we set it true, and then autoplay, set it to true, and then we can select preview on the right side, and we need to make it center. So we set layout gravity center horizontal. Okay, and we can see margin top set to 104 dB. Okay, but we can't see anything. And the next step is we add text view and then wrap content, and we close it. And then for the text, oops, and then for the margin top, maybe 64 dB, and then gravity center horizontal, and for the text size maybe 20 sp, and for the color we can see, and then copy this Okay, and copy this, and then we need to copy this, and then for the margin top, set it to 7. And for the alignment, set it to center. And for the text size, we can see 16 SP. Okay, and we move to design tab and then select on our text view, and then we type font family and then select more font, and we search Poppins and set to medium and add font to project. And this one, Poppin regular, add font to project. Okay, and we can see, and then the last we need to add button. For the width, we can see here 240 dB, and then for the height 48 dB, and we close it. And for the background, maybe rounded .xml. So we create drawable and then select OK, and we need to create item and then shape and then solid. For the color, copy this and copy and paste here. And then for the corner radius, we can see here 4 dB. We close it and we go to activity main again, and we set it to center horizontal, and we give margin, set it to 64 dB. And then for the text, go to home, and we can see it's all caps, so we say all text all caps, set it to false. And then for the text color, we set it to white. Look like this. And then for the text size, 16 SP. And then for the font family, set it to Poppins medium. Look like this. So I think we need to add tools. And we call not font. Okay, look like this. And the last, we need to maybe style, and then no action bar, and we go to the main activity.java. Okay, maybe below the super. So I want to make our screen to be full screen, but I get error. Okay, so I think we need to set flags. Okay, get window.set flags, a window manager, and we need to run emulator pixel 3XL. Okay, and run our app. Okay, we can see look like this, and I want to compare with design. Okay, I think it looks similar. This looks more. This look bigger because I designed for MDBI screen, and this screen is, I think, XX HDBI, so it's look smaller. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, that's all my video today. If you want to download like source code, Adobe XD file, link in the description below. And if you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.